Hey Peyton, here is some of the stuff we went over today in our first ukulele class. So, we went over the parts of the ukulele. We had the head, neck, body, strings. The metal bars were called frets, fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, and so on. Our strings were tuned to letters in the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then after G, it went back to A. Our strings are G, C, E, A. Good children eat apples. So from the top one, good children eat apples. Our first chord we did was our C chord. Now chords were groups of notes, notes being like this, dum, bum, 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 put together. So if you put them together, they sound something like this. So our chords are groups of notes. Our first chord we did was our C chord. Now, when we're holding our ukulele, we took our right arm, we kind of tucked it into our body with our elbow. We're using our thumb to strum. We're doing our down, up, down strum, down to the ground, up towards the sky, and back down. Our left hand for the C chord, we're going to take 1, 2, 3, third finger, third fret of the first string. The first string is our bottom string right here. Our thumb is going to be nice and placed right on the back of the ukulele. See how my thumb is? I'm just giving a thumbs up. I'm just smacking it right there, right firmly on the back of the uke. That's going to be how we're going to be pressing the ukulele. So squeeze between our thumb and that third finger. And let's do down, up, down. A little slower. Down, up, down. Again. Down, up, down. One more time. Down, up, down. Now, the second chord and the last chord we learned today was this G7 chord. To do G7, take our first finger. We're going to put it in the first fret in the 1, 2, second string from the bottom. Our G, C, our E string, okay? Now, middle finger is going to go second fret, 1, 2, third string from the bottom on our C string. So first finger, second finger. Now, our last finger is going to go right underneath, same fret as the second finger, but on the first string. So we have 1, 2, 3, and this is our G7 chord. We want to stay as much on the fingertips as possible. Thumb firmly placed on the back, held with our right arm, strum with our thumb. Down, up, down, down, up, down. One more time. Down, up, down. To get back to that C chord, all we have to do is take the first 2 fingers off, move that third finger up to the third fret, and now we're back at our first chord, our C chord. Down, up, down. All right, that's it. I'll see you next week.